Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you're feeling happy and healthy, inspired to launch your business or grow your existing business. Today, we are talking about professional product photography. Do you need it for your business? I used to have an opinion about this early on that definitely changed over time. But before we dive in, if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, over the last 10 years, myself and our company has had the pleasure of running our own juice business concepts in almost any arena that you can imagine, as well as helping hundreds of people all over the world launch and scale successful juice bar concepts, smoothie bar concepts, juice trucks, acai bowl businesses, and more. All the information on this channel is coming from that experience. Early invitation to press the like button. That supports the channel, and your support for the channel allows us to keep making videos and supporting you. It inspires us. We always love hearing from you guys. I love when I talk to people on the phone and they say, "Oh, I've been watching your YouTube videos and I've just been binge watching them." It really makes me happy. It just makes me know that people are empowering themselves and educating themselves. So now let's dive in. We all know that taking professional photos is not always the easiest thing. It's actually very, very difficult. It's something that we do for our clients and it takes a lot of time and attention, but it's also not always the most inexpensive thing. So what happens? A lot of times I see people out there launching juice businesses and they're either doing one of two things. They're using stock photography, which can be high quality, but not representative of your product because there's inconsistencies for the brand. One, people are looking at one smoothie or juice and it's not actually what you're giving them. And two, the styles of the photos aren't consistent. So it creates this inconsistency in your brand presentation. Or what's the alternative? A lot of you out there may use your phones and take photos of your product. Now, granted, you got to do the best you can with what you have, but if you're asking yourself the question, is it really worth the investment to get product photography done professionally, hiring a food photographer, hiring, bringing a company like ours on to do the product photography for you? What I can tell you, and we all know this saying, is that people eat with their eyes and then with their mouth. If you as a consumer, and it's sometimes difficult for us to put ourselves in the consumer's point of view when we become entrepreneurs, while we're all consumers, it's like our brain just changes and shifts and we forget the way that we make decisions when it comes to us being consumers. But I can guarantee you, if you really ask yourself honestly, when you are making a decision about where you're going to eat, and it's a place you've never tried before, what is one of the first things you do? You go to their website, you go to their Instagram, you look at their photos, and you find out if it looks appealing. You check the ingredients. Is it something that I can eat? Does it seem healthy? But the photos are the thing that sell you on the fact that it feels appetizing. It's creating desire in you so that you want to try it. So product photography is huge. It's massive. I can't emphasize that enough. And most of the time, this is one of those areas that I knew in the very beginning of my business, I really undervalued. I thought, yeah, I need photos, but how important could it be? I can tell you from experience, it can make your business. If you've got great photos that people get excited about, when they see it, they want to try it, guess what? That's getting you sales. So invest the money that you need to make sure you've got amazing photos. Otherwise, doesn't mean that you're not going to get sales, but the opportunity, the amount of money that you're losing, I often say this too, is that unrealized potential, unrealized sales are always unknown. So you only know how much money you're making. You don't know how much money you can make or that you didn't make because you didn't do something correctly, that you didn't have great photos, you don't have a great looking website, you don't have, all of these things. You might even be making money, but you don't know how much money you're not making because you don't, and you're not executing at a level 10. So if you need help with this or any other aspect of your business, photos, branding, your whole business development, reach out to me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Happy to have that conversation as to how we can help. But I hope if you gather anything from this video, it's that your product photography is probably much more important than you've been making it. So I want you to prioritize that, invest your energy, your resources into having great photography, because you as a consumer always make decisions based on what you see, the design of a business, the design of a website, someone's Instagram. And so you want to make sure that you prioritize those things in your business as well. Until next time, hope you're happy, hope you're healthy. This is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. If you haven't liked the video yet, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get alerted anytime we release new content like this. Follow us on Instagram @StartAJuiceBar. There's exclusive content that we share there, giveaways, and more. So you want to make sure that you follow us there. And then lastly, if you like podcasts, the Juice Bar Experts podcast on Spotify and on iTunes. Until next time, Andrew McFarland, wishing you well, wishing you a lot of success. See you guys soon. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.